Hello and welcome to the brief long on weather report tonight. Obviously, we're going to have we had a junky day today, sun, but a lot of jet junk in there and a really crappy looking sky with a lot of haze around too because of its very strong temperature inversion. Questionable air quality actually today too because of it. But you can see plenty of clouds heading our way as we deal with this next storm system, which is going to bring us a crappy Saturday and a crappy weekend overall. Let's look at the sky tonight. You can see already some of the lower clouds kind of coming in. I just got around and walked around Rockville Center because I know we probably won't be able to tomorrow. We're going to be stuck inside with this rain that's going to be coming our way. So let's look at our current conditions outside right now, and we are getting some radiational cooling, 25 at West Hampton. The clouds rolling in. We'll put a lid on that. You can see it's already 30. It's not going to really drop much below 31 there in New Jersey. 30 at Islip, so the clouds are rolling in. It's going to put a lid on the radiational cooling that we did have. Looking at West Hampton, let's see what West Hampton, if they actually got a little cold. No, they didn't really get a little colder any earlier. Okay, so let's look at our lows and highs for the day. Lows got down to 10 in West Hampton. 19 at Islip, so a lot of areas got down around 19, 20 degrees last night across Long Island and the Pine Barrens. It got down to 10, got down to 26 in Central Park, and in the Pine Barrens in New Jersey. Let's see if they were actually any colder than West Hampton. Come on. 19 also, 19 in the Pine Barrens west of Tom's River, so no, not as cold there, maybe because they had some more cloud cover. Let's go look at the highs. Highs got into the low to mid 40s today, so close to average for this time of the year. 43 at Islip, 43 at Central Park. Looks like 43 is the number really across the board. Well, it was warmer though in the Pine Barren and in New Jersey, 48 there. So, yeah, definitely a lot warmer there. Let's look at our climate statistics for the day, and a high of 43 at Islip puts us just 1 degree above normal. The low of 20, though, puts us 7 degrees below normal for the low, and that put us 2 degrees below normal for the day, but fairly close to the average temperature for this time of the year. Central Park had a high of 42 and a low of 26, so again, they were also 2 degrees below normal for the day. And, yeah, we're going to be adding to that rain as we head into tomorrow for sure. Nothing on the radar right now, but let's go ahead and look at the radar here. And you'll see here that we do have some light mixed precipitation. This is the concern, especially with the ground still cold, that some areas, particularly north and west of the city, could see some icing before the temperatures rise. You can see here's the train of rain that we're going to have coming up from the Gulf here. You can follow that train of rain. That's going to be moving in to us on Saturday, which is going to really make for a really crappy day. So showing you the weather map again. Here's your storm system that we're going to be dealing with. And here's the satellite again showing you again the storm system. So let's go and look at the models here as we head into tomorrow. Just taking a local look. So HRRR, go to the 0Z HRRR, and we'll show you what's going to happen here. Obviously, that rain is going to start probably after midnight. It's probably after maybe 1, 2 in the morning tonight, and it's going to be lingering all throughout your morning, throughout your afternoon, into the afternoon. You see, all right, maybe there's a little bit of a break in the action, but there could still be some drizzle around. So even when the rain stops, there's still going to be sucky drizzle around. So it's just going to stay wet. More rain overnight into Saturday night. And then Sunday, hopefully we get a break Sunday ahead of the cold front. And that would be this cold front here. Again, we're going to talk more about this tomorrow night, the LLJ that will develop. We'll have more models to look at when it comes to that. As far as this first batch of rain here, a total accumulated precip from that, it probably won't be a whole lot of rain. Actually, no, it's showing we could pick up a half an inch perhaps, probably around a half an inch from this batch. That's going to occur, though. It looks like most of that accumulation is going to occur. Well, it's going to be like a steady rain. Like I said, it's just going to be lingering around all day long, that kind of deal. Again, let's look at the NAM. the NAM 3 here. We'll go back to this. Probably not really going to be much of a difference between the two, but you can see rain is going to be with us all day, and when it's not, we're going to have sucky drizzle around. So it's not really ever going to stop. It's going to be a wet Saturday, but hopefully, like I say, we get a break on Sunday where we won't have any wetness. But all of Saturday is going to be just wet and sucky for the whole day long. So let me go back to the HRRR and look at the dew points and wind flow to show you what's going to be happening. There's still relatively dry air, but the dew points start coming up after midnight tonight. And definitely see an increase in the humidity, especially as we get that drizzle around. And as we get into Sunday, there's going to be probably an outright mugginess to the air with that warmer air coming up. And again, the HRRR has temperatures. Jersey's probably going to get into the 60s. We're going to get well into the 50s for sure. So that's what it looks like. So, yeah, sucky Saturday on tap with a lot of just crappy drizzle around. It's probably going to just linger around all day long. So, plan on staying inside on Saturday. That's all I can say. Have a good night.